Yeah, this is a HSC 25 model cutting machine, roll form, and you can see the material stand, the four materials. And then you can see the control panel on the left hand side, mechanical stopper inside, feeding roller, the green feeding roller, material guide roller, and this is a pinch roller. Okay, turun pinch roller, tekan ini. Okay, the pinch roller has come down, up, pinch roller move up, come down, turun. As you can see at the front there is another pinch roller. Then there's a mechanical stopper for adjustment. As you can see, there are four mechanical stopper at the machine there. You use a spanner to adjust down for deep cut clockwise, anti-clockwise for shallow cut. Over here you can see the control panel. Power light is on at the moment because we open up the window. The light is on. Power light, error light, you can reset. Once you close the window, error light is off. Error code, total counter, batch counter, then number 1 feeding distance, number 2 feeding distance, then the number of number 2 cut, the quantity you need to cut, and this is a cutting tape timer. Normally you set at 0.1 second for stable cutting pressure. You have the leaf height in terms of numerical number. The higher the number, bigger the value. Number 9 is the highest, the up position. Speed 1 to 7. Higher the number, the higher the speed. The highest speed is at number 9. And this is the required quantity you can set. Once you set, once the quantity has been completed, the buzzer will be on. Here we have the selector switch for setting, cutting and feeding. Here you have the selections of automatic cut, single cut or manual cut. For manual cut, you can cut one piece to test the type of cut. Over here there's a reset button. Anytime any problem arises, once you have eradicated the problem, you must press reset. Here is a output pinch roller, up, output pinch roller, down button switch, input pinch roller, up switch, and then you have inboard roll pinch roller, down switch. Underneath here you can see there are 3 button switch here. One is the start button switch, one is the pump on switch, one is the pump off switch. Then there's a pause switch, main switch, and there's an emergency switch. Now I'm going to do the setting in a very short while. Okay, now selection is at the manual setting position. Okay. When you do setting, okay, the machine head will come down automatically. And then press the operate start button switch. The machine head come down. Once it come down, we do the setting to the right position. Once we have done the setting, then we close the window. Then we go for reset. Then the machine head set the up position. As you can see, the stopper is no more in contact. Okay, right now we go choose for single cut. Single cut, we can press single cutting. Okay. Okay, like that. Single cutting. Single cutting pressing. Okay. Then we can check the depth of cut. Oh, here we are checking the half cut. You can see the half cut finish is very well done because we have preset it early on. Okay, I'm not here. Okay. Mamaya satu. Ini ya lapor sih. Oh, here you can see this is the outboard. You can see the panel here. We can control the outboard operation or the import operation. Again, the first row of the speed control switch is for the wrap rewind. Then the speed control for the finished product, cut product rewind. Then you have the inboard roll pinch up, robot pinch roller down, robot outboard pinch roller up switch, and outboard roller pinch roller down switch. Here we are selecting to do the roll cutting. Now the operation is at the import. You can see you can select to operate at the import or outboard. Now here is the start button switch. If it's at the import, the start button switch light will not be on. Here is a pause button to emergency temporary stop it. Over here there's an emergency button. It will stop the machine totally when you press this button. Let me try. Okay, we are going to start the automatic cutting. As you can see, this is a raw material feed and cut. Now we are adjusting at a low speed so that you can see the process clearly. However, the speed can be increased if you want to. Underneath here there's a tension controller. Of course you can increase the speed of rewinding if you want to. Okay, pause. We can pause the machine to check the cutting finish of the product. As we can see, the cutting is very consistent. So we can do a batch cutting control. Sometimes if the knife is not good, got height difference, we can seam the knife at the back. Over here you can see the wrap rewind. 因为这个你把它wrap rewind manual 可以没有关系，给它跑。You can see it's a wrap rewind. You can do it manually or automatically. There's a forward and reverse. Okay, this is a speed you can control. You can see this is controlled by the inverter, Mitsubishi inverter, one horsepower inverter. It can be forward and reverse. Inside the machine, the head there is lubrications fittings for fitting in the oils and so forth. Over here there's a tension control. As you can see, tension control here there's a limit switch. 再跑多一次，这个速度可能增加一点点，那个比较慢一点。那个 cutting speed 把它增加一点点。Now I'm going to increase the cutting speed for the operation. Ini keluar ni macam. Ini kan pada biasa sih macam. Okay, we put the pinch roller down. As you can see, I open up the safety guards to show you in more details. So I'm going for high speed. You can see the material is finished now. As you can see, this is a control board, the whole circuit board in the box. Over up there you have the Mitsubishi PLC FX48, followed by hour counter. Then the Mitsubishi servo driver, the contactor, circuit breaker, and the directional contactor, fuse. You can see there are a lot of fuses for protections of individual motors and drive unit. Here there is a transformer, a step down. They are all together, there are two transformers. The step downs to low voltage. 415 step down to 220, and also 220 step down to 12 volts for control. Over here you can see there are two inverters. One is for the web rewinding motor, the other one is for the material rewinding motor. Over there, up at the control box, there are two fans to suck out the air. As you open the window, as you can see, there's an error message. We will de-energize the machine.